Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is called hustle and grind.
Okay, so hustle, that's a fairly new term used mainly by millennials and things of that nature. And, really, hustle is just mean to work hard. The older generation would call that working hard.
Yeah, some people have a negative connotation of this word. Hustle almost means like you're ripping somebody off. But really, that's not what it means at all.
No, that's not the actual terminology for it. The terminology is like it means is to work harder or to work harder. Okay, that's the current, I don't know how you say that, but the current incantation of the word anyhow.
Definition.
Definition. That's what it is. Definition. So, sorry about that. Lost my mind there for a second. If you are not working hard in your business, you cannot expect to take and see results. And, this is very, very crucial for you to take and get. That just because you want to be an entrepreneur, nothing is going to be given to you. You have to work hard in this life. You either have to be a dedicated employee, or you have to be a dedicated employee and a part-time business person, or you have to be a dedicated business person. But you're not going to get away from the work. There are no free rides in this life. And if you think there is when it comes to entrepreneurship, you're in the wrong business because there's a lot of work to be had.
That's right. So this one takes some self-reflection to see, am I just doing the minimum to get by, or am I actually going above and beyond? And if I'm not, where can I be improving?
Yeah, and, this is good to write this down. I'm bad about that. Jessica's actually very good at this, writing things down when it comes to that. I do a lot of self-reflecting. Is this where I want to go? Is this where I want my business to go in the future? Am I spending enough time with my wife? Am I spending enough time with my kids? Things of that nature. And that's hard to balance life and life's issues with business as well. But there's certain times that I just have to deny myself, when I would really like to be inside, comfortable, wrapped up with the wife on the couch watching a movie or something. I need to be in the shop, and I need to be putting the axe to the grindstone, so to speak, and really working hard on our business to take advantage of maybe some things that come up for our future.
So something that can help you keep track of this is perhaps if you just do a little weekly journal entry and, what did I do good last week? Where was I lacking? And this just helps you keep track of your progress.
Yep. So there's no excuses on this one. If you feel like you're failing, just quit. Stop from failing. I mean, that's it. You can't blame it on the weather. You can't blame it on anybody else. Your business, if you are a self-made entrepreneur, is all on your shoulders. It is all really on your shoulders, and it's up to you to view how you want to take and go forward in your business and work hard to get there.
Your amount of success is directly related to the amount of effort you put forth.
Yep. So that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. Thank you guys for watching it.
Yep, and we'll catch you on the next one.
God bless you.